Okay, now you will write 3.2 idea screening. Idea screening mean to say screening of idea, different ideas you got from different stakeholders. As I mentioned earlier, maybe your customers, maybe your employee, maybe your employer, maybe yourself, maybe your neighbor, maybe your franchisor, partner, dealer, or matter of happening, or the by chance, or the disaster management, or the natural calamities, or by the grace of God, you can say. Such kind of the ideas are with you. Then it is very much big problem before us. There are 20 ideas, 2000 ideas, 2 lakh ideas. But which will be the best idea? What will be the basis to select? And how I will develop this? And how it will be created by me? How it will be beneficial for me? How I will understand this particular idea? Which idea I have to select? Which is beneficial for me? And which will be selected by me? For that purpose, the second stage in case of generation of new idea or the stages in new idea or the stages in new product development, the second point is idea screening. First point of the idea screening, as you know very well, from the stage of generation, new product idea travels to the stage of screening. In this stage, various new product ideas are put together which were be evaluated or which will be evaluated or which were collected from the different corners are to be evaluated by us on the basis of the below mentioned parameters. Different parameters are there. On that basis, we will see, we will capture one idea. So many ideas, we have to capture one. We have to evaluate those ideas. And what will the parameter for the evaluation of those ideas? These are to be discussed in this particular point. Now, the first, need for new product. Need for new product. Are you getting my sound properly? Okay. Idea screening. The first point, need for new product. Okay, we got different ideas from different corners. Even after, we have to think, are we in the need of the new product? Yes or no? Actually, we need new product, or it is the requirement of the society, or is there any need, or the people, or the stakeholder, or the potential buyer, or the existing buyer, they are willing to purchase? Are they perceiving that particular product will give a boost to the society or their standard of living? If no, then we will skip these ideas. Actually, originally, sensibly, or meticulously, if we know or we came to know, okay, out of these ideas, we have to capture this idea which will satisfy the need of the consumers or the customers who are purchasing or willing to purchase or willing to get the new product. Therefore, it is necessary to evaluate the idea on the basis of actual need of the actual new product. Number one. Number two, is it clear this point? Actually, we have to sensibly perceive that there is a need of the new product in real sense, or you are willing to create a range or the series of your products, or different type of the series you are creating the product? If yes, then take the idea. If no, skip the ideas. Second point, improvement in existing product. Now, in the second point or the second parameter for idea screening, you have to evaluate your ideas which you got from different corners, different partners, different stakeholders, that a particular idea will really improve the existing product. For example, I have a pencil, I am the supplier of the pencil, another idea is given by anyone. If that idea will create an improvement or give an improvement to my product, then I have to accept. If no, then I have to reject that idea. Therefore, under the second stage, we have to see or we have to evaluate properly that a particular product is to be modified on the basis of that idea, yes or no. If you are able to understand, you are able to convey, able to convince yourself, okay, if I will capture this idea, it will give an improvement to my product, then I have to accept, otherwise no. Next one is inline, in line or new line. Third point of the second stage of the idea screening. Third point you have to mention or note down: inline or new line with business. The third point is saying, after getting different ideas from different corners, you have to analyze or you have to review or you have to screen that idea. That particular idea is in the line of our business. For example, I am producing the stationery items and idea is of related to stationery item, it means to say in line with the business. If that idea is not related to the stationery items, it means that is new line for my business. Difference is clear. If a particular idea which will give inline or new line, then you have to compare these two ideas or these two lines. If you are creating new line, then you have to see in different aspect, in different parameters, or you have to think in different way. If the same line, then there is different way of the thinking, so that you can understand what kind of the idea is to be beneficial for you. Because of, after grabbing the idea, during the screening of the idea, you are not able to decide, okay, I have to kept this idea which is with my line or in my business, or directly indirectly it is attached with my business, I have to accept. Because of, it will not change my plant capacity, it will not change my financial position, it will not change my expertise, it will not change my competitive scenario. Clear? Therefore I have to understand that idea is in line or new line with my business. Now the next point is plant capacity. Why I am mentioning here plant capacity? Suppose a particular idea you have generated. At the time of the screening of idea, you will see you got an idea from a dealer. Dealer is saying to the supplier, please supply 2 lakhs books in the month of the April from the next month or from the next year. Idea is okay. Because of our dealer is perceiving that in the coming years online book examination requirement will be more. Therefore he or she is saying to us, please develop such kind of the books which are available in the online mode. But I have to think, it is in the line of my business. I am just producing pencil, copy, pen, etc. etc. I am not developing any kind of the publication, or I am not publishing the books. I am not the publisher. I am not the author or the writer. I have no any press machine or the printing press machine, you can say, or the printing press. Then it means to say that I am going to adopt new line for the business. When you are attaching, when you are receiving that idea which is new line for you, it will see or it will affect your plant capacity. The next point or the fourth point you will mention in your copy, plant capacity. It means to say, if the supply is to be increased, suppose you are the producer of the pencils and there is a demand of 2 lakh pencils per month in comparison of the earlier 1 lakh per month, because of you are going to different market. Therefore you have to think, okay, if I am willing to supply this product, my plant is capable, I have the machineries, I have the employees, I have the labor, I have the raw material. If raw material, labor, financial position is my good, then there is no problem. But if these are not feasible for me, my plant capacity is not procuring each and everything, my financial position is not okay, I have no any expertise to develop the online books, and there are so many competitors which will go to the market and they will give the competition to me. At that moment, I have to screen the idea again, because of my plant capacity is a limited capacity. It doesn't mean I can produce so many things, because of as and when you are going to change your line of the business, different kind of the plants, different types of the technologies, different type of the expertise you have to acquire, you have to take, you have to purchase from your nation, from your neighbor, from your country, from your other country, from your world. Therefore it is necessary for us to understand, to screen the idea before implement it. Now the financial position is very much